me, you will not find any other mechanics anywhere else.
Oh my God. Thank you so
Just
much.
great guys.
My name is Andre Bonds of the Hansa Mechanic. You should be here.
So that is why I'm very confident. I would say in here, even if you include further than Blacktown, Tungabi, even before Parramatta, all the way to Penrith, you include this area. Go and shop around. Find out if you can find one small workshop like us that have this setup, that have these awards. Why? I even have the courage or the attitude to say, oh, hang on, the customers sometimes they play difficult. They feel like if they don't come to me, the business will stop. I tell them upfront, if you think I am not the right mechanic for you, feel free to look for a mechanic that will make you happy. That's why I'm very confident. And look at you, from 2018, 19, the only time you didn't come here is 20. Maybe you were around 22, 23, 24, and today 25. And you want a pink slip today, transmission service, cabin filter, and brake fluid. So Mr. Samir, from the bottom of my heart, in behalf of the Hansa Mechanic team, thank you so much for your continuous patronage.
Thank you.
We have 124,000 followers now on Facebook. What would you like to tell them?
That the handsome mechanics give the great service, value for money. That's why I've been with them for so long. And trust me, you will not find any other mechanics anywhere else.
Oh my God. Thank you
Just
so much.
great guys.
Thank you.
Call
Huh?
themselves handsome.
Yep.
They are the great handsome
Yep.
guys.
So if you have a friend from your country just came here today looking
Yeah.
for a mechanic, what will you tell them?
I will tell them if you're looking for the great handsome mechanics,
Oh.
here they are.
Where are we? Where are we?
So they are in Mount Druitt,
Yep.
Kurrajong Road.
Yep.
They are great service,
Awesome.
great value.
Awesome. Thank you.